So now let's see how we can work around with glitters inside of Pixlr E. So in order to work around with the glitters, you can go up over here onto the filter menu, and then you'll be able to see glitters is an option. And under glitters, there are different type of glitters that you can apply. Let's say, for example, fringe. If I were to click on it, I can increase the fringe or decrease the fringe right here. So you got the red and like blue lines coming up right here, as you can see right here, just like this. So you can apply this if you want to and see the before and after as well. But I'm just going to press cancel for now because I want to explore other glitters. So I'm going to go around into, let's say, for example, filter, onto glitters right here, RGB split, and there you go. There's the distance right here, just like this. There's the direction, as you can see right here, and there's the amount as well. And you can choose like different type of colors over here as well, just like this, according to what you want the glitter to be. I can just close this out right here, and then I'm going to go around into filter, onto glitters, and then another option is scan line. I can increase up the scan line, as you can see right here, and increase the amount of scan line right here, and then I can use black and white scan line, or I can use the colorize option over here as well. And I can also make the scan lines vertical if you want to, as you can see. And I can click on this to enable and disable the scan lines as well. So I'm just going to press cancel right here, and then I'm going to go around over here onto glitters. The other type of glitch you have is interference. So it's like an old TV, as you can see right here. So you can increase the amount, and you can also make it vertical if you wish to, and see the before and after. You can go around into filter, go to glitters. Another one is slice. So if I were to increase this out, it looks like a digital glitch right here, as you can see. So you can increase this out right here, increase and decrease the distance of the glitch, as you can see as well. And you can also make it as a line right here. And there you go. That is how you can apply and work around with glitters inside of Pixlr E. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.